Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 115, practice 7, division, making equal groups. Alright, so this is the same thing we did before. Something times 6 equals 54. So again, we need our 6 multiples over here. And I'm going to quickly just write my 6 multiples right over here. 6, 12, 18, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. So I jotted down my 6 multiples right here, and again, if you have a hard time writing your 6 multiples, my suggestion is, of course, to always draw 6 circles and start counting and try to write down those 6 multiples and have those memorized the best way you can. Alright, so something times 6 equals 54. What is my something? So that's 1 times 6, 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6, 6 times 6, 7 times 6, and 8 times 6, and 9 times 6 right here. So 54 is right here, and that's 6 times 9, or 9 times 6. Because I'm going 9 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so that means 54 divided by 6 equals 9. Same thing over here. Some number times 8 equals 56. So I want my 8 multiples. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. And again, if you have a hard time doing this, draw 8 circles and write down your 8 multiples. So here we go. Blank groups of 8 equals 56. My 56 is right over here. Let's find out how many groups that is. 1, 2, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. So 7 groups of 8 is 7 times 8 equals 56. So 56 divided by 8 equals 7. Alright, so we want to divide this through. Divide 21 divided by 7, and so on and so forth. I think you guys can handle 3, 4, 5, 6 on your own. Remember to write down your multiples if you need to for these numbers over here, just in case you need to. And hit pause and complete these 4, and we'll move on to this one when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. You should have done 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do number 7. One tank holds 8 gallons of water. How many tanks are needed to hold 64 gallons of water? So over here I have one tank, and let's make that a circle. So one of my tanks holds 8 gallons of water. How many tanks do I need to hold 64? Well, let's think about that. I have one tank, 8 gallons. If I need another tank, that's another 8. And I need a third tank, that's, again, another 8. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making groups of 8 until I get 64. Well, this is 8. If I have 8 plus 8, that's 16 because I'm counting my multiples. So here we go. I have 8. Another 8 would be 16. Another 8 would be 24. So I'm not up to 64 yet. So I need another 8. Alright, another 8. That would be 32. I need another 8. And again, all I'm doing is I'm making my groups of 8. And that would be 40. I need another 8. Oops. So again, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Still not there. Another 8. And let's double check this through again because I drew 2 more 8s. Here we go. So counting my 8 multiples: 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 64. And now I got 64. So here I have 64 gallons, and what I did was I took my 64 and I split it up into groups of 8. So when I split something up into groups of 8, what I'm really doing is dividing. So 64, and I'm dividing that by 8, and that gives me, well, let's count. 1, 2, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups. So 64 divided by 8 equals 8, which means I need 8 tanks. Okay, let's do number 8. Donald packs 36 apples into some bags. Each bag contains 9 apples. And it's the same thing we did before. I'm going to draw you a picture just to show you. So here's some 36 apples. And I'm going to pack in some bags. So here's one bag. There's 9 in there because each bag contains 9. Here's another bag. And here's 9. Here's another bag. And here's 9. And if you look at what I'm doing, I am splitting 36 into groups of 9. So when I'm splitting or sharing something equally, I'm dividing. So 36 divide by 9, and let's figure out what I got. So let's double check this through. Let's count my 9 multiples. 9, 18, 27, 36. Alright, so I got my 36, and that means I got 4 bags. So Donald uses 4 bags. Okay, and that's page 115.